Do you understand English, but you can't speak it in daily life?
Do you know words like eat, go, work, but you don't know how to make simple sentences?
Maybe you want to say, I woke up at 7. I went to work. I had coffee. But your mind goes blank.
Don't worry, this happens to every beginner.
Today, we will fix that.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with SMG, the place where you learn real English for real life.
I'm Sam.
And I'm Lisa.
Today's lesson is very special.
We will learn 100 easy English sentences you can use every day.
These are simple, natural, beginner-friendly sentences.
Short lines, real life, easy to repeat.
Ready? Let's start your English journey.
Part 1. Morning Routine, Daily Life English.
Let's begin with morning sentences. Sentences. I woke up at 7. I got out of bed. I brushed my teeth. I washed my face. I took a shower. I got dressed. I made breakfast. I drank tea. I drank coffee. I ate bread and eggs.
Positive example. I woke up early.
Negative example. I did not wake up early.
Question. What time did you wake up?
Honest answer. Too early.
That's called being an adult. Part 2. Getting ready for work or school.
I left the house. I locked the door. I walked to the bus stop. I waited for the bus. I took the bus. I missed the bus. I called a taxi. I arrived on time. I was late. I said hello to my boss.
Example. I arrived on time.
Negative. I was not on time.
Question. Do you like being late?
No. Stress is free. I don't want more.
Part 3. At work. Simple office English.
I opened my laptop. I checked my emails. I answered messages. I had a meeting. I took notes. I asked a question. I helped a coworker. I solved a problem. I made a phone call. I finished my work.
Positive. I finished my work early.
Negative. I did not finish my work.
Question. Do you like meetings?
Only when there are snacks.
Part 4. Lunchtime conversations.
I felt hungry. I went to lunch. I ordered food. I ate rice and chicken. I drank water. I talked with my friends. I laughed a lot. I paid the bill. I returned to work. I felt full.
Example. I felt hungry.
Negative. I was not hungry.
Question. What do you eat for lunch?
Whatever my fridge allows.
Part 5. After work routine.
I finished my job. I packed my bag. I said goodbye. I left the office. I took the bus home. I listened to music. I checked my phone. I arrived home. I opened the door. I sat on the sofa.
Positive. I arrived home safely.
Negative. I did not arrive on time.
Question. What do you do after work?
I sit and do nothing.
That is called peace. Part 6. Evening routine.
I changed my clothes. I washed my hands. I started cooking. I cut vegetables. I made dinner. I ate with my family. I watched TV. I checked social media. I drank tea. I relaxed.
Example. I watched TV.
Negative. I did not watch TV.
Question. Do you cook every day?
I try. Sometimes I order food.
Part 7. Night routine.
I cleaned the kitchen. I brushed my teeth. I washed my face. I changed into pajamas. I checked my alarm. I turned off the lights. I went to bed. I could not sleep. I fell asleep quickly. I slept well.
Positive. I slept well.
Negative. I did not sleep well.
Question. Do you sleep early?
I sleep early in my dreams.
Part 8. Weekend sentences.
I woke up late. I cleaned my room. I did laundry. I went shopping. I bought groceries. I met my friends. I watched a movie. I played games. I visited my family. I rested at home.
Example. I met my friends.
Negative. I did not meet anyone.
Question. What do you do on weekends?
Sleep, repeat, recharge.
Part 9. Social and polite English.
Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Please sit down. Excuse me. I am sorry. Thank you very much. You're welcome. See you later. Have a nice day.
These sentences make you polite.
Polite people get more smiles.
And sometimes free dessert.
Part 10. Expressing feelings and needs. I am happy. I am tired. I am busy. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I feel sick. I need help. I don't understand. Please speak slowly. Can you repeat that?
Example. I don't understand.
Negative example. Pretending to understand. X.
That leads to problems.
Practice conversation. A full day.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7.
What did you do?
I brushed my teeth and made breakfast.
Did you go to work?
Yes, I took the bus and arrived on time.
What did you do at work?
I checked emails and had a meeting.
What about the evening?
I made dinner and watched TV.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. Mini tips.
Tip 1. Speak daily.
Even 5 minutes helps.
Tip 2. Repeat sentences.
Repetition builds confidence.
Tip 3. Use real life.
Describe your day in English.
Now it's your turn.
Write 5 sentences about your day in the comments.
Example. I woke up at 8. I drank tea. I went to work.
We read every comment.
Today, you learned 100 daily English sentences.
You now can describe your day in English.
Morning to night.
Work to weekend.
Simple English, real life.
If this lesson helped you,
Like the video.
subscribe to English with SMG.
Share with a friend learning English.
See you next time.
Goodbye.